Hello everyone! Today I will be breaking down for you how to dance the moonwalk on your roller skates. The moonwalk dance move on roller skates can be performed with or without the toe stoppers. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave my toe stops in. When learning how to do the moonwalk on my roller skates, something that helped me was to learn first how to do it without my skates on. Start with your feet staggered. If you'd like to follow along with how I'm doing it, place your left foot a little bit in front of your right. Now get into the ready position. All you have to do is lift the heel of your right foot and keep your left leg straight. On beat 1, you are going to straighten your left leg and pop the heel of your right leg. Beat 2 is the slide. On beat 2, slide your left foot backwards so that it's behind your right foot. At this point, your left leg should still be completely straight while your right foot has the heel up and weight is on the toes. Now we're ready to start the move again with the other foot in front. Now beat 1 again. You're going to straighten your right leg, and in your left leg, your weight is on your toes and the left knee is bent. Beat 2, slide your right straightened leg backwards so that it's behind your left foot. At this point, your right leg should still be completely straight, and we're ready to start again. So you've got the move down without any skates on. Now you're ready to throw your skates on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Notice how on beat 1, I am straightening and then bending that other leg simultaneously. It's not first you straighten it and then you bend your other leg, because then you're just gonna wobble around. It has to be snap, very quick. Straighten, bend at the same time. Now when you're ready, you can go ahead and blend numbers 1 and 2 together. Now I have a few useful tips for you. Tip number 1, try not to look down at your feet. You want to focus on a spot that is straight ahead of you or straight behind you, but not down. If you are looking down, you will lose your balance and fall forward. Tip number 2, you can find your own unique style by experimenting with your arms. I wasn't really being intentional about my arms when I was practicing earlier on my porch, but I like to keep my arms down and relaxed. Some people like to put their hands on their head, hands out on their hips, or in front doing these weird, crazy moves, and it's up to you how you want to stylistically move your arms. The way you move your arms can really change the feel and style of the move. Tip number 3 is another thing for style. You can use your hips. Pro tip, your hip always points in the direction of your leg that is straightened. And tip number 4, the straighter that you can get that straightened leg, the smoother this moonwalk will look. I hope this breakdown helped you in some way, and stay tuned for the next one.